if a post is shareable or not on Facebook depends on its privacy settings. Basically, if they're set to public, then that way, when say a friend shares it onto their friends, even if you're not friends with them yourself, then they'll still be able to see it. For that reason, posts need to be set as public in order to be shareable. So how exactly do you do that? Well, we'll be going over that in today's video, both on desktop but also on mobile. So starting with the basic facebook.com browser version of Facebook, when creating a brand new post, you can already change its privacy right there. So if you click on whatever the default privacy setting for your posts are, you'll get a full list of different options right there. So make sure it is set on public right there. However, if a post is already published, then you can also change its privacy settings after the fact if you need to adjust them. So just click on those three dots next to a post and then click on edit audience, and once again you'll be able to set it as public right there. Now let's go over what the same process looks like but on mobile. Just like before, you are able to do it both with a new post and also an existing post. So as you can see, the button to adjust privacy settings here is located in the bottom left. So you simply tap on that and you'll get the same list of options like we've shown you before. If you want to then edit a post that's already published, once again tap on the three dots next to it, then tap on edit privacy, and then you'll be able to set it as public right there. So that is exactly how you can make a post shareable on Facebook, both on desktop and on mobile. So hopefully you found this video helpful, and if you did, maybe subscribe to How to Authority for more like this in the future.